I will be showing you how to graph linear equations. There are three ways to graph linear equations. So the first one that I will show you is through two-point method. So dito sa two-point method, ang gagawin is you will let value or values for x and you will find for the value of y para mahanap yung coordinates na yon. So let me show you an example. Okay. Let's say that our equation is x plus y is equals to 3. And dahil two-point method yung gagawin, maglalet tayo ng value for x. And let's say I will be using x is equals to positive 2 and then I will be looking for y. And after kong gawin yun, let's substitute negative 2 and find for the pair of it. So we will just be substituting that value. So let x is equals to 2 and then so 2, papalit natin dun, plus y is equals to 3. And then APE, kung APE yung gagawin natin, we will be subtracting 2 on both sides or kapag transpose, we will be changing the sign of it. So 3 minus 2. So we have y is equals to 1. So ang magiging ordered pair natin is dahil x na ginamit natin is positive 2, ang value for y na nakuha natin is 1. Okay, let's do that again sa x is equals to negative 2. Inulit ko lang. So negative 2 plus y is equals to 3. So, transpose na lang ulit natin. So, y is equals to 3 plus 2. Remember that when you transpose, you need to change the sign. So, we have y is equals to 5. So, our ordered pair is negative 2, positive 5. And dahil nga two-point method ito, yung first ordered pair and the second ordered pair, ipa-plot lang natin yan. And then, i-connect natin yung line. I-connect natin yung dots. I will be showing you kung paano natin yung i-graph. Okay, so let's graph now the x plus y is equal to 3. We're in two-part method where we get 2, 1 and negative 2, 5. So, yung 2, 1, so positive yung 2, and then positive yung 1. So, move tayo sa quadrant 1. So, from origin, bilang tayo ng right now. 2 steps, 1, 2, and then 1. So, dito. And then, magdadap tayo dun. And then, next is negative 2, positive 5. So, yung negative 2 dito sa kabila. So, from origin 1, 2, and then, wala pang dot down. Magdadap tayo pag na-graph na natin yung y. So, positive 5 yun. So, bilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, ito yung 2, 1. Ito naman yung negative 2, 5. And then, i-connect na lang natin. So, ito pa yung ruler ko. So, let's just connect. Gamit ako ng green pen. So, extend lang natin. Hindi natin isasakto doon kasi after hindi natin yung graph na yun. So, that is how you graph our first equation, linear equation. Another example for two-point method, let's use 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Right? So, yun nga po, maglalet tayo ng values for x. Pero one way para hindi tayo transpose or mag-apply ng AP or MPE, better na ang gawin natin dun sa given nating equation is isulat natin sa y form. So, paano yung y form? Okay, so kailangan maiwan natin yung may y sa isang side, and then ito, lipat natin. So, positive 2x siya, let's transpose, or kung APE, we will be subtracting both sides by 2x, kaya yan. And then, ito hindi naman ginalaw, so plus 6. And then, we will just be dividing both sides by 3 para maiwan yung y. So, our new equation is y equals negative 2/3 x plus 6 divided 3 is 2. So, ito na yung bago nating equation. Convert lang natin into y form and let's substitute for the value of x. So, let's say I would like to use x is equals to 0 and x is equals to, dahil divisible kay 3 yung 3, 3 na lang yung gagamitin ko. Okay? So, yan. Let's substitute x is equals to 0. Nilipat ko lang dito. Okay, so y is equals to negative 2 third times 0 plus 2. Okay, so any number multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. So, tatanggalin ko na lang yun. Kinakancel ko na lang yun kasi magiging 0 na. So, we can say that y is equals to 2. So, we can say our coordinates is 0, 2. And then, for another solution, let x is equals to 3. So, we have y is equals to negative 2/3 times 3 plus 2. And then, remember, kapag multiply tayo ng fraction sa numerator lang, pero dahil over 1 to, simplify na lang natin. So, y is equals to negative 2 over 1. So, I will just write negative 2 plus 2, which will give us 0. So, we have, ano yung ginamit natin value for x is 3 and then 0. And then, yun, ipa-plot lang ulit to sa Cartesian plane and then i-connect natin. Ang ating next equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 na kinonvert natin into y form na naging y is equals to negative 2 third x plus 2 na kung saan nakuha natin yung dalawang ordered pair na 0, 2, and 3, 0. Okay, naging intercept. So, you will know the intercept on the next example. So, let's just graph this. So, graph natin yung 0, 2. So, from origin 0 and then dahil positive 2, akit tayo ng dalawang step. So, 1, 2. So, nag-fall dito yung ating dot. And then we have 3, 0. So, yung 3 is positive. So, from origin, mag-write tayo ng 1, 2, 3. At dahil 0 yung ating y is mag-stay tayo. Hindi tayo akit, hindi tayo bababa. So, stable. And after natin yan ma-plot, kasi nga 2-point method lang naman, we will be connecting just like on the first example. So let's just write the label of the coordinates. So this is 0, 2, and then this is 3, 0.